The PowerEgg X is a versatile drone and a camcorder that is able to withstand harsh environments, land or water, and comes with AI-powered live streaming and video conferencing features. PowerEgg X looks like a shiny ostrich egg with no visible seams. The drone has been designed as a versatile all-in-one piece of equipment. The drone can be used as a handheld camera thanks to the removable arms. The drone flies in rain and land or water. It also acts as a tripod-mounted or handheld gimbal camera. The 3-axis gimbal stabilizer helps avoid visible vibration in the produced footage. The drone has a 12-megapixel sensor and can produce up to 4K video at up to 60 frames per second. The internal storage is 6 GB. A microSD memory card with up to 128 GB capacity is also supported. The PowerEgg X has 30 minutes flight time. Its top speed is a very nippy 40 miles per hour and its image transmission range is 3.7 miles. It can also safely fly in wind speeds up to 22 miles per hour, which is truly excellent. The PowerEgg X is available for $799, which is rather competitive compared to the market of just drones.